This tutorial will show you how to complete the LinguaSkill listening and reading test. When you start the test, you will see an audio check screen. Click Play Sound to check that your headphones are at the correct volume. Please change the volume using the volume settings on your device. If you have any problems, or if the sound isn't loud enough, ask the invigilator for help. When you are happy with the volume, click the arrow in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen to continue. You will see instructions about the test. Please read these carefully, then click Start in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen to continue. Fill in your personal information and then click the arrow in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen to continue. When you are ready, click Start in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen to begin. Instructions for each question are in a box at the top of the screen. Read the instructions and question carefully. You can hide the instructions and unhide them. For listening questions, the audio will play when you click the play button. This gives you time to read the questions before you hear the recording. Click play to start the recording. Do you know what the weather's going to be like tomorrow? My group want to go on the boat trip. You can play each recording twice. Some questions in the listening test have pictures. Listen and choose the correct picture. Some listening tasks have more than one question. You can scroll down to see the other questions. Listen to the recording and choose the correct answer for each question. In some questions, you must click on each gap and then type the correct word in the gap. Some reading tasks have more than one question. Read the text on the left-hand side of the screen. Scroll down to see the rest of the text. Answer the questions on the right-hand side of the screen. Click on each question to see the choice of answers. Read the text carefully and choose the correct answer for each question. Remember to answer all the questions. Choose a word from the bottom of the screen to complete the sentence. If you want to change your answer, click on your new answer. Then click End Test in the top right corner of the screen to close the test. This is the end of the LinguaSkill listening and reading tutorial. If you have any questions, please ask the invigilator.